Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me. Today I'll be sharing with you my lip care routine, and in this routine we will be needing lemon, brown sugar, see that, some honey, coconut oil, a toothbrush, cotton puff, and some wipes. This is a routine that I follow thrice a week, or at least every night when I'm not so tired. So we are going to start by mixing these things up. I have put in here a teaspoon of brown sugar, and by the way, I don't have measurements because they are just lips, they are not the whole face or the body. So you can just measure according to your lips or your preference. Just make sure that it's 1:1 ratio. Like if you use a teaspoon of brown sugar, you use 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of honey. Also, try not to use your normal toothbrush. Have a new toothbrush specifically for this. This is the toothbrush that I use for this process. So try getting another toothbrush. It will be gross for you to use the same toothbrush for your lip care and your mouth. So let's get started, guys. This here is 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. So I'm going to squeeze a teaspoon of lemon juice from this. I like squeezing lemon juice from a fresh lemon, but you can buy lemon juice anyway, but that's just me. Now we need a teaspoon of honey. There you go. Coconut oil, a teaspoon also. Coconut oil is going to help with moisturizing, keeping the lips moisturized as you scrub. The brown sugar will help with scrubbing or exfoliating. The lemon juice is going to help with brightening, and the honey is going to help with moisturizing, the glow and the moisturizing. So this is a combination that you really need. So once that is done, I'm going to mix them up. After mixing it like this, I then apply it to my lips. And prior to this, I had applied some lip balm, so I'm going to wipe it off, then wash my lips with some water, just to make sure that my lips are clean, and then I'm going to apply this. So let's do this. Then I wipe using this cotton puff. Just like that. So let's apply this. This thing is super sweet, by the way. Make sure you don't eat it. We are here to treat the lips, not eat, remember? Sometimes I feel like licking or swallowing. And you first apply, you see, you don't need a lot. I already mixed a lot. You just need just a little. That's why I'm saying I don't have measurements that I follow, so long as it's 1:1, the ratio. Also, once I apply like this, I always let it sit there for like 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Now let's chat as we wait for it to sit a little bit. You guys already know that I have dark lips. There are so many causes of dark lips. Dark lips might be caused because of sun damage, applying dark lipsticks, smoking, genetics. Well, I don't smoke, but some people get dark lips from smoking. If you have dark lips like I do, maybe you should figure out why you're having dark lips so that you are able to treat them. Personally, I started having dark lips some years back, but I didn't immediately start following this skin routine. This skin routine I've been following for the last 2 months, 2 or 2.5 months. But it really works, it does, because I have noticed a huge difference from when I was not using it to right now when I'm using it. So yeah, I would suggest you start using it too. So I have now waited for 3 minutes, and I'm going to scrub lightly with my fingers first, and then I'll use the toothbrush. Okay, so let's use the toothbrush. Remember to be very careful. Let's get the corners. Oh, this thing is sweet. I feel like licking it because of the honey and the sugar. Let's get some more. Be very gentle, by the way, when you're applying this. They are your lips. You don't want to break the skin of your lips. I usually scrub for 1 minute, not more than 1 minute. If you want a thicker mixture, don't use a lot of lemon juice. You just use a tiny little bit. I think 1 minute is done now. So after I'm done, within 1 minute, I just rinse this off. There you go. See? That's why you don't have to use the other toothbrush. Let me rinse this off. Now that I've rinsed that off, I wipe the excess water like that. And then I apply coconut oil. It's a good moisturizer, by the way. Like that. So that's my very simple lip care routine that I follow every night or at least twice a week. Try it out. Let me know if your lips are going to improve or how you feel about it. Personally, my lips always feel very moisturized and I have seen great improvements. Thank you for watching this video. In case you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do. And to my old members, again and again, I thank you so much and keep coming back. Until we see each other next time, bye bye. God bless you.